So, how to ask where somewhere is? Where is? Où est the castle? Le château. Le château. Where is the castle? Où est le château? Où est le château? The feminine word for the is la with the biggest ah you've ever said. La 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 la. La, the letter A in French is ah. La, like chateau. La 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 la. Station is gare. 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 You park your car in le garage. You park your train in la gare. Gare. Where is the station? Où est la gare? 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 Where is the station? Où est la gare? Où. Where is the castle? Où est le château? Où est le château? Où est le château? The, when there's more than one, plural, is les. That is a long sound. Les. We've had le, we've had la, and we've got les. A lot of people pronounced the le. Le. No. Les. Le, la, le. There's so many words for the. We've got the masculine le, we've got the feminine la, we've got L apostrophe for words that begin with a vowel or the mute H, and now we've got le for when there's more than one of something. How annoying is French, I know. Le. Okay, so we've got le château. If you want the castles, les châteaux with an X at the end. Don't pronounce that X though. That's not in Frolic Barbecue. Les châteaux. We have la gare, the stations, les gares. Okay, if your word starts with a vowel, you merge it. As soon as there is an apostrophe there, make it sound like one word. Many people still split up the word. No, you squash them together. L'orange. And here we're going to do a liaison because we have les oranges, because orange starts with a vowel. Les oranges. Remember the S between two vowels is always a Z sound. Les oranges. The man, l'homme. Sounds like one word. L'homme, l'homme, l'homme. That H is acting like a vowel. You never pronounce the letter H in French. Never. The men. Still have to pretend the H is not there. Les hommes. Les hommes, les hommes, les hommes, l'homme, les hommes, l'homme, les hommes, the man, the men. So we've had where is, où est. Now we have where are. Où sont. Où sont. Où sont. Where are, où sont. Here it is in a sound. I do apologise. Où sont. Where are. We've had où est, where are, où sont. Take a really good look at où sont. Où sont. The toilets, les toilettes. Les toilettes. Les toilettes. Where are the toilets? Où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes? Where is? Où est? Where are? Où sont? Où est? Où sont? Où est? Où sont? Et voilà! Now you can ask for places. Où est? Où sont? Où est? Où sont? Next, we are going to be finding out if places are open or closed. Next, we'll be finding out whether places are open or closed, or whether somewhere is free or occupied, or if somewhere is occupied or unoccupied. May I have this chat? Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine fois.